Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Thursday. It's time for your tech tip. Okay, tonight I'm going to give you an introduction to Photoshop Actions. So, Photoshop Actions let you edit a bunch of photos at once, doing a repetitive motion just to save you some time. So, in this folder on the left, there's 50 photos in it, and I'm going to save them and edit them while I save them. So, I'm going to use Photoshop CS5, and I should let you know that it works in pretty much every version of Photoshop, but I'm just using CS5, so there might be little differences if you're using an older version. So you go to Window, Action, and then, okay, first of all, I'm going to open a photo. There you go. And then you go to the Actions panel and create a new action. Give it a name, pretty much anything you want. I'm going to call it New Action. And then once you create it, it's automatically going to begin recording your actions. So I mean, it basically records filters you apply, rotations you do, texts you add, just basic Photoshop features get recorded, and then you can play them back on your other photos later. So I'm just gonna do some stuff, do some auto tone, auto contrast, auto color, adjustment. Let's change the brightness, I guess. There you go. How about select all? No, let's deselect. Let's add a title. Okay. So a title that says text. Make it bigger. Then let's transform it. I'm just giving you examples of stuff you can do, just so I can show you what it does. Okay, add some effects to it. So there you go, I just added some text. What else can I do? I'll add a filter, I guess. And the more actions you do, this like the longer it's going to take to do all the photos. So just let it apply the filter. So there you go. That's enough stuff. Now let's save the photo. Save it as a JPEG. You can save it as anything you want. I'm just doing a JPEG. Just that's what I want to do. So there you go. All the other photos, when they're edited, they should end up looking like this with this filter and text similar to that. So I'm going to close this. And I'm going to hit stop on the actions. So the action is called new action, and let me just delete this. Okay, so here we go. Now to play back that action on all 50 of those photos, go to automate, batch, select your action. Mine's called new action. Select the folder of the photos you want to edit. And if I set everything up correctly, it should go through and edit all 50 photos with those similar actions. So here we go. I'm not touching the mouse at all right now. It's just going through the photos and doing these effects and filters and stuff on its own. So let's say you have 1,000 photos to edit. You could tell it to do these effects to it, and then you can just go and get some dinner. or go take a nap or something while the computer does the work for you. Or say you're a professional photographer and you want to put like your watermark with your signature on it in the corner of your photo. You can set up a Photoshop action and then just tell it to put that signature on all of your photos. So as you can see, I mean, the folder is slowly building up pictures as it goes. It just adds that filter and effects and text automatically. And so there you go. And again, use some creativity and, come up with your own thing, your own problem that can be solved with this Photoshop Actions. Because it's a really powerful tool. You can actually use it to create videos and like simple animations with it too. So there you go. I hope that made sense. That's your tech tip for the week.